Welcome back to our Wudang Online Academy channel. Thank you for following our series. Today we have the last sequence of the Gua Zhang form, so follow us closely. So the sequence is as follows. We start here with the left hand. Now remember, the seventh movement is special because it's only four steps. So to complete and finish, to come back at your original position, we step 4 times again. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and open again with the same step like before. Now the movement is very easy. We could go like this. 1, low, 2, up, 3, pubo, gombo, 1, 2, pubo inside again, 1, gombo, left hand up with the back of the hand and step close. All right? Now we change to the other side. Now is again 8 step, okay? Don't be confused, it's quite easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now left, 1, 2, gombo, pubo. Now again, 1, 2, gombo, pubo. Step gombo, step wide, and step close with the left leg. Right hand is up, and we go again to the basic posture. All right? So actually there's not much to say to this sequence here, except we have the gombo pubo transition. So by doing this movement, try to relax the pubo and try the posture clean, okay? So every time we step here, go 1, go with hip, go up, make long, go down, go pubo, step, and use the clean posture. Gombo, pubo, gombo, change, and step, gombo, and then you finish, okay? So actually, this is it. This is the last sequence. So now I want to show you, after this sequence, how to do the finish of the form, okay? So we come back here one more time. So we're coming out with the left hand, and now we step 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now the 7th step, you use rotation. 1, and breathe in, breathe out, and left step close. Then the Gua Zhang form finish. Thank you for watching the series. The year is over, and we see you again in the next year with the full classes. So thank you for watching and your continued support. I hope you enjoyed the Gua Zhang form, and please continue practicing, as it takes quite a long time to get familiar with the movements. Thank you for watching, and see you soon for more. Goodbye.